Good. Mallorca. Pizza. We made it. Again.
Ik wil hier lapjes staan. Mama?
We are in Palma de Mallorca. Running away from the hot weather. Now, need to pick up some lines for the parasailer. Hopefully we can do that here. Some of the chandlers that are supposedly here as well. But it's clouded, it's hot, and it's pretty expensive. Nah, not too bad. 60 euros a night. Even though it's supposedly very expensive here. But we only have a place for one night, so tomorrow we're going to be moving on. If the camera can pan around, you can see where we are a lot better.
There are some modest yachts over there. And some grey clouds. And now we're entering the marina.
Yeah, now yeah, you copy?
This is Blue Pearl, I copy and I see you, over.
Okay, it's just coming in. I'll go to the other pier, not this one, the other one, okay? And I wait you at the end of that mooring. I'll tell you which one is, okay?
Okay, thank you, standing by. Ik ga dus wel even omdraaien. Want dat vind ik makkelijker. I'm going to turn around because I think it's easier.
So where's the guy?
The guy walks around to the other pier and he's going to show us where to go.
I'd love to film us coming in, but I'm going to shut down the camera now so I can be of any assistance.
So you decided to start filming just as we're decided to start leaving.
Yes, impeccable timing.
So your favorite spot, tell us about it.
I wanted to film this because I think this is my favorite spot until now. We're in Mallorca. This is Cala de Roquetas.
Cala de Roquetas. Playa de Roquetas.
Playa de Roquetas. And next door, over there is a little touristy village. I forgot the name from that, but I'll look it up. We visited the place and we went to an aquarium that was pretty nice.
This aquarium recreates the Bay of Cabrera Harbour, a scene dominated by the keel and buoys floating in the water.
Katwijken. Zie je ze? Kom eens kijken. De katwijken.
Oh, dat geen hond zijn.
Dat is eigenlijk mijn filterloos ben ik dus meer
Wat zou je ook moeten?
Ik weet het niet. Maar bonk, bonk.
Bonk. Nee. Ze lijken heel erg op katten.
Ja, jij weet het beter dan ik.
Skilled camouflage artists with scorpionfish, lobsters and razorfish. You might be able to see some of them peeping out from their hiding places.
And I think this is one of the best places we've been, because this beach, as you can see, is not crowded at all. It's getting late in the day, but
It's not touristy at all?
it's not touristy. There's nothing here except what you need on a beach, like sand and sea and sun and a breeze and shade, artificial shade from our wonderful umbrella. And we've been here for I think 5 days now. And we're leaving tomorrow, so I wanted to take the chance to capture this online, because on film I mean, because we are anchored over there. This is a really nice little place, pretty quiet except for last night. I think I'm going to insert some footage here now.
So this is the other camera.
Maybe it's another drill. We've responded to drills before.
Maybe it's smugglers.
I'm still not sure what they're doing, because if they're looking for someone, they're just hovering. What if they find someone? Then what? There's no Guardia Civil boat here somewhere?
No. Are they gonna land?
I think so.
Okay, so they're dropping people on the island. Is that like fire? No.
No, it's sand.
It's too dark. I can't film.
We don't have night vision.
No. Okay, now it's gone again. We have no idea what they did on the little island.
Yeah, it seemed they dropped some people off and then hoisted some things back up again. Maybe it was a drill and they tried to use
Weird.
yeah.
Bye bye.
And yeah, over there somewhere, I'm trying to get my girls out of the shot because they're swimming naked, are some islands, and that's a nature reserve. So we are planning to visit that place tomorrow. And this was our last day here at this wonderful little beach, this nice little cala that we really have enjoyed.
Mama, ik zag net een hagedis. Echt waar. Ja.